show you I'm worth it. Tonight will be the night you finally start to trust me. It won't always be easy when the whole world is watching, but let's just draw the shades. Oh, if they only knew the love we made. Let's throw the doors wide open and let this twisted love affair become a vanity parade. I bet you do. Wanna scream for me? I bet you do. Wanna tear up the sheets? I bet you do. Wanna smell your cheek? Go clubbing undressed, wake up and you're depressed. I bet you do. I know it won't be easy. I won't let you leave me. I'll fight for you until the bitter end. I bet you do. Time and time again. You never would have loved me if you knew what it meant. I bet you do. I won't let you leave me. I'll fight for you until the bitter end. I bet you do. Time and time again. I bet you do.
I know, I'm the best in show, the baddest bitch in the ghetto. That girl you wanna take home, 'cause I'm so pretty. I'm the best, I know you want a picture of this. Say cheese.
Extra.
I look so pretty, I need to snap another selfie. I wanna slip myself a roofie. Bug me, bug me. You look so thirsty, you need to stop posting selfies. You be blowing up my news feed like look at me, I be thirsty.
Thirst. Definition: seeking attention.
Now that I spelled it out for you people that don't know the game and don't speak the lingo, just stop with the selfies up in the bathroom with a dirty ass mirror and a hashtag caption. I don't think it's much that I'm asking, just take a piss without a photo finish. You're so proud of yourself, just look at that grimace. Say cheese. Extra. I look so pretty.